Killer, and in the Gulf of Mexico, Mississippi. Understood? And then we have seen in the South America, it is in which one? Sao Francisco. Understood? And in the which one I said? In Africa, it is Congo or Zaire. Congo Submarine Canyon in Africa. So these are the submarine canyon in Atlantic Ocean. These are the submarine canyon in, याद हो गया? Which are the submarine canyons? Oceanography, Hudson, Norfolk, Wilmington, Mississippi, Sao Francisco, and Congo. And in the India, it is very easy. You can do. I said that Indus, and then I said that Ganges, Indus and Ganges. Is it okay? So these are the submarine canyons of the world, and I am talking to you with respect to the world context, yes or not? And each ocean wise. In the Pacific Ocean we have seen, I said Tokyo, Bering, Juan de Fuca. Thereafter I said that Colombia. Understood? Then I said, yes, Monterey, Arguellos, Scripps and Colorado. Understood? Then we came into Atlantic Ocean. In the Atlantic Ocean we have been able to see where? Oceanography, Hudson, Norfolk, Wilmington. Then I said Mississippi, Sao Francisco river pe Sao Francisco and Congo. Congo is the river which crosses the equator twice. We are going to see that some important ridges and all. Ridge. Question can come, discuss the different types of topography in Atlantic Ocean and present their significance. तो आप start कहाँ से करेंगे? Self, slope, rise, abyssal cliff, rift, mid-oceanic ridge, जो भी नाम है, फिर ridge, submarine canyon, trenches, जो भी हैं, these are understood, which are the first and all. So I said that first we are going to see Atlantic Ocean, Wavell-Thompson ridge. Yes, and Thomas telegraph कर रहा है. क्या कर रहा है? Earlier लोग telegraph करते थे, telegram. Telegraph. Clear? क्या कर रहा है? What he is doing? Thompson is sending telegraph through the dolphin fish. हमारे यहाँ डॉल्फिन को डाल दे स्पीड से वेस्ट कोस्ट टू ईस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया, द मैसेज हैज बीन टेकन. अंडरस्टूड? बहुत स्पीड से मूव करते हैं वो. इफ दे विल बी बेटर ट्रेंड, दीज आर द एनिमल्स व्हिच कैन बी व्हाट इज इन अ बेटर ट्रेंड एंड इट कैन यूटिलाइज्ड. आई सेड दैट Wavell-Thompson telegraph, and this is I said that which ridge? Dolphin ridge. Wavell-Thompson telegraph, and which one I said? And then there is a challenge. किससे करोगे? Shark fish से करोगे या whale fish से करोगे? If you have got the chance to do challenge, किससे करना चाहोगे आप? Shark fish तो करोगे नहीं. You know that what will happen. Better to do with the whale fish. So I said that Challenger and Walvis. Which one I said that? Challenger Ridge. And which ridge I said that? Walvis. Challenger Ridge. Understood? And Walvis. Challenger Ridge and Walvis. एंड यह थोड़ा सा आप लोग लिखेंगे साउथ सैंडविच रीस, थोड़ा सा, लेकिन वो रीच कुछ ही एरिया में नहीं भी लिखोगे दैट डजंट मैटर, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आइलैंड है, इट थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन और वहीं पे थोड़ा सा दिखता है समवेयर डाइवर्जेंस इज आल्सो टेकिंग। सो आई हैव सेड दैट इन द वर्ल्ड देयर आर मोर देन 40 व्हाट इज आई सेड दैट माइनर प्लेट्स आर देयर। Understood? This is which one? Andaman Nicobar. Which I said that? पहले ध्यान से देखेंगे। अंडमान निकोबार के पास which ridge is this? 90 degree east ridge. It is going like this. Yes, 90 degree. पहले ध्यान से don't write. अंडमान निकोबार and which ridge I said that? 90 degree. लक्षद्वीप के पास if you'll go nearby this Lakshadweep Chagos, which one I said? Lakshadweep Chagos, and there is a Socotra Chagos, clear है? And then we can be able to see Socotra के यहाँ पर this is in a Carlsberg. So which are the name I said that? 90 degree east ridge. Then I said that Socotra, and then Socotra Chagos ridge, and then I said Carlsberg ridge. Which are the ridge I said that? 90 degree east, Lakshadweep, Socotra, Carlsberg, Seychelles. Which are the ridge I said that? 90 degree east, Lakshadweep, yes, Socotra Chagos, Carlsberg and Seychelles. Clear? And there is a South Madagascar ridge. It's in a part of Southwest ridge. ये सारे Southwest ridge है, clear? Southwest Indian ridge. Only the Indian Ocean is the ocean which has got the name on the basis of a country. Understood? And then Southeast ridge में हम लोग which are these are the ridges of what? Southwest ridge. Which are the Southwest Indian ridge? Lakshadweep, Socotra Chagos, Carlsberg and Seychelles. लोग आज के डेट में सुख मिलता है, सुख समझते सुकोत्रा, सुख मिलता है जब किसी के पे काल आता है और वो सीसी करके रोता है, ऐसा ना, सुख मिलता है, सुख, सुकोत्रा, कार्ल्सबर्ग, Seychelles. Can you remember? This kind of person को क्या कहोगे? गुड पर्सन और मैड पर्सन? किसी को सुख मिल रहा है, आप रोगे और दूसरा खुश होगा, you will say that is a mad person, Madagascar. Which one I said that? Lakshadweep ridge, Lakshadweep Chagos, and then Socotra Chagos, Carlsberg ridge, Seychelles, Mauritius ridge, and then South Madagascar ridge. That is I said that थोड़ा सा यहाँ चलेंगे तो प्रिंस एडवर्ड रीज. विच वन आई सेड दैट? साउथ मेडागास्कर के इधर कौन सा रीज है? आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द साउथ ईस्ट रीज, साउथ ईस्ट इंडियन रीज, साउथ ईस्ट इंडियन रीज, and they are the part of I said that which ridge I said that? Prince Edward, and along with I said that Amsterdam St. Paul ridge. Amsterdam St. Paul ridge. So which are the ridges we have seen? Tell me first. Which are the ridges? Yes? Yes? 90 degree east और अंडमान निकोबार. Thereafter we have seen Lakshadweep Chagos, सुख मिलता है, Socotra Chagos, Carlsberg Reef, Seychelles, Mauritius Reef, South Madagascar. Then we have seen, yes, which reef? Prince Edward, and then we have seen Prince भी है और संत भी है. Prince Edward and St. Paul Amsterdam Reef. St. Paul Amsterdam Reef, yes. और इसके some parts are also plateau kind of it. नेक्स्ट देखेंगे यहाँ पे, इसको छोड़ेंगे. अल्बाट्रोस रिस, विच आई से दैट इन द पैसिफिक ओशियन. अल्बाट्रोस आपने वो लिख लिया सर, है इंडियन ओशन का. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव रिटन अल्बाट्रोस रिस. देयर आफ्टर यहां लिखेंगे ईस्ट पैसिफिक रिस. अल्बाट्रोस रिस, ईस्ट पैसिफिक रिस, Albatross, East Pacific Reef, एंड यहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा साउथ वेस्ट पैसिफिक रीज. प्लेट्स आर आल्सो डाइवर्जेंट. सॉरी, साउथ ईस्ट. दिस इज द रीजन ऑफ व्हाट? ईस्ट पैसिफिक रीज, एंड देन यू कैन से साउथ ईस्ट पैसिफिक रीज. एंड थोड़ा सा नीचे आ जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे अंटार्कटिका और विच वन आई सेड दैट बिटवीन अंटार्कटिका एंड देयर इज एन आई सेड पैसिफिक. सो पैसिफिक अंटार्कटिक रीज, पैसिफिक अंटार्कटिक रीज. अंडरस्टूड इट नाउ? सो विच आर द रीजेस वी हैव सीन इन द वर्ल्ड? हमने क्या बोला था कि वेवल थॉम्सन ने टेलीग्राफ किया थ्रू द डॉल्फिन, एंड यू विल गिव चैलेंज टू हुम? वेल, यस, वेलविस. सो वी हैव सीन वेवल थॉम्सन, टेलीग्राफ, एंड देन which we have seen? Dolphin reefs. Then we have seen Challenger, and then Walvis. Then we have seen in the Indian Ocean. In the Indian Ocean, east 90 degree east reefs, Lakshadweep Chagos, Socotra Chagos, and Carlsberg Reef, Seychelles, Mauritius, South Madagascar. Then there is Prince Edward and St. Paul Amsterdam. Understood it? Then in the Pacific, Albatross Reef, and then East Pacific, the सबसे, और Mid Atlantic Reef. ये सारे पार्ट किसके हैं? ये तो the longest one, Mid Atlantic Reef all. So I said that East Pacific Reef, and then we have seen South East Pacific Reef and Pacific Antarctic Reef. Understood? So these are the regions we have seen. Understood it? Now, next point, if I am talking about, इसी में मुझे बताना, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean surrounded by what? It is the first, देखते जाएंगे अटलांटिक ओशन कैसा है. It is the second largest. Atlantic Ocean is the what? Second largest ocean. Average depth 3900 meter. Average depth. On the west, it is surrounded by whom? On the west, who is there? On the west, surrounded by North and South America. On the west, surrounded by North and South America. On the east, Europe and Africa. And in the north, ridges and islands. In the north, surrounded by ridges and island, and in the south, yes, tell me, Antarctic. आइलैंड्स, वो सारी चीजें मैं डिस्कस कर ही चुका हूँ, सेल्फ से लेकर एंड ऑल. एंड यहाँ से ड्रेक पैसेज कनेक्ट अटलांटिक विद ड्रेक पैसेज, DRAKE. ड्रेक पैसेज कनेक्ट अटलांटिक टू पैसिफिक. यस, Atlantic to Pacific, clear? एंड यहाँ पर 20 डिग्री ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड जो अगुलास प्लेट्यू, 20 डिग्री ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड पे इट इज मीटिंग विद द इंडियन ओशन थ्रू द अगुलास प्लेट्यू. Yes, this ocean is narrow. This ocean is narrow near equator. This ocean is narrow near equator. Narrow near. This ocean is narrow near equator, and you can be say that widest at mid latitude. Widest कहाँ पे है? This ocean is widest at mid latitude. Clear? Narrow near equator and widest at mid latitude. Understood? Next one, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean क्या है? सबसे the largest. Clear? How much it is? 36% of the world. क्या 35% लिखेंगे? 35 point something है. 35% of the world. Average depth 4,000 meter. Average depth 4,000 meter. Is it okay? And then North Pacific is more deeper than South Pacific. North Pacific is more deeper than South Pacific. Clear? Next, if I say that it is surrounded by whom? It is surrounded by whom? Yes. Asia on the west, Australia and New Zealand on the west. और साथ में South East Asia. Asia, South East Asia, Australia and New Zealand. On the west, it is surrounded by Asia, Southeast Asia and yes, Australia and New Zealand. On the east it is surrounded by North America, South America. In the south it is, I said, that Ross Sea and Antarctica. Which sea I said that? In the south, which one I said? ROSS, Ross Sea and Antarctica. Ross Sea and Antarctica. And in the, I said, the east, it is Bering Sea. Bering Sea, B-E-R-I-N-G. अभी तो बताया था बेरिंग सबमरीन क्या नहीं है. And it is attached with the Indian Ocean through the Atlantic Ocean Drake passes. किसके through it is attached with the, yes, tell me? Atlantic Ocean through the Drake passes, D-R-A-K-E. And it is attached with the Arctic Ocean through the Bering Strait.